Hello and welcome back to Login Helps. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to create a group on WeChat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to create a group on WeChat, the first thing you'll need to do is tap open your WeChat application and make sure you're signed into your account. Now, in order to create a group, from the chat screen, tap on the plus button at the upper right corner of the screen. Once you do that, tap on New Chat from the expanded menu. Select the contact you would like to have a group chat with, and once you do that, tap on the Done button at the bottom right corner. With this, you have created a group chat on WeChat. Start by entering any text you want to your group members. That is how you can create a group on WeChat. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.